Hey, it's Clan. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. Did this analysis yesterday, and believe it or not, these couple levels here were quite relevant. But after today's price movement, they are no longer relevant. So what I'm going to do is just use these for some of the nearer term annotations. I don't want to create clutter because there's lines all over the place. So one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? That would be if the price can stay up above $7.90. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $7.90, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above $7.90, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here right around this consolidation area. Let's see, what is that? $7.65. So $7.90 and $7.65, two of the near term levels of support now. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $7.90 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As for this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. So I realize things are getting harder to see, but always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. So next key overall battleground to keep an eye on, right up there around $8.25. And that's just essentially the peak from back here in February. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great volume, great price movement. Not just a question of can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.